Today we're going to be looking at a battery tester by D-FantiX. The links will be in the description. Go ahead and open this up. It feels real cheesy. It's plastic. There's hardly any weight to it at all. It's got this slider thing. There's no spring. It just moves back and forth. And I don't know if you can see the little knobs. The battery needs to touch those knobs to test it. And it tells you the different kinds of batteries. Normal load, good low. Okay. All right, let's try a good battery that I know is good first. Let's see, put the positive, it marks right there. You got negative, positive. So I'll put it in here. It's kind of hard to hold. Okay, I know this is a good battery, so let's see why it's not checking it out right. Okay, you have to get it right on those little knobs. Okay, so that one's checking out good. Let me check out one I know is bad. It's kind of hard to line up there. Okay, good. Check out another one. Good. Check out another one. And it has to be lined up like... this I know is a good battery. This is the one I just checked before. So sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. Here's my little trusty battery tester. This one is so handy to have. You've got the mark there and then the negative, positive. And just get it sitting in there and it'll tell you what's going on. That battery's good. Okay. Yeah, this one has a latch to it that's much nicer. It's got a spring. This one has nothing. I mean, let me try this one more time here and see what's going on. Okay, yeah, I know this is a good battery, and it's not testing it. And I'm moving it all over on it just to make sure I'm making proper contact points. Yeah, this doesn't work. Okay, so I would not recommend the D-FantiX battery tester. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.